Stop throwing money away on hotels. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate hotel loyalty showdown. Marriott Bonvoy versus Hilton Honors. Which one reigns supreme for free nights, upgrades, and overall value? First, let's talk about earning points. Marriott gives you around 10 points per dollar spent at most hotels, with bonuses for elite status. Hilton, they're more generous, offering 10 to 20 points per dollar. But remember, point values vary, so a Hilton point isn't necessarily worth more than a Marriott point. Redeeming points is where things get interesting. Marriott uses dynamic pricing, meaning award night costs fluctuate. This can be good or bad, depending on when you travel. Search for off-peak times to maximize your points. Hilton also uses dynamic pricing. While Hilton generally has more hotels that require more points for award nights compared to Marriott, you may find better values at lower-tier properties or during special promotions. Elite status is key to unlocking amazing perks. Both programs offer tiers like Silver, Gold, Platinum, and beyond. High-tier elite members benefit from free breakfast, room upgrades, and executive lounge access. Ultimately, the best program for you depends on your travel style, preferred destinations, and spending habits. Do some research on where you typically travel and see which program offers more hotels in those locations. So, which program comes out on top for you? Let us know in the comments below which you prefer and why.